Namaste, dear children. Welcome to class 3 English subject. In the previous class, I had completed the fourth lesson, Gita's breakfast. In today's class, I will take the exercise part. Page number 40. Read and understand. A main question. Circle the things each one had for breakfast. Circle the things each one had for breakfast. See first point. Usha and Uma. Usha and Uma had what they had for breakfast? Idli, milk, toast with jam. Usha and Uma had toast with jam for breakfast. Second one, Tata. Tata, coffee. B option, toast with jam. C, idli. Tata had coffee. Coffee. Third question, Appa. Appa had idli for breakfast. Toast with jam. Coffee. No. C, first answer is C, second answer is A, third answer is A. Next main question, B main question. Take right the things Geeta ate that morning. On that morning, what did Geeta eat? First word, idli. Yes, Geeta ate idli on that day. Write idli, tick mark. Tea, no, Geeta doesn't had tea. Sugar, yes, Geeta had sugar on that day. Fourth one, juice, no, Geeta didn't have juice. Toast, fifth one, yes, Geeta tasted some toast. Sixth one, dosa, no, Geeta didn't eat dosa. Seventh one, jam. Yes, she ate jam. Eighth one, sambar. No, sambar or sambar. No, Geeta doesn't eat sambar. Ninth one, milk. Yes, she drank some milk. So, tick mark first one, third one, fifth one, seventh one, and ninth one. C. Answer these questions. Okay. How many people were there in Geeta's family? Write their names. I will send this answer to your group. What pretend games did Geeta play? I will send these two answers to your group. D main question, discuss in class. Did Geeta go to school? How do you know? No, we need to discuss. Did Geeta go to school? No, Geeta didn't go to school because after Geeta's sister Susha and Uma left for school, she went to her bedroom. Then we can say that Geeta didn't go to school. Second question, Geeta called her mother Amma and her father Appa. She called her grandmother Patti. What do you call your parents and grandparents? Amma Appa. We also call Amma Appa. And Patti for grandmother. Geeta called Patti. We call her as Ajji. Ajja, Ajji. These things. Next question. Why did Geeta feel she had not had any breakfast? Do you think Amma forgot to give breakfast to Geeta. Why did Geeta feel she had not had any breakfast? Geeta feel Geeta felt she had not had any breakfast because she is eating little bit, not complete breakfast she had. So she feels she had not had breakfast. Do you think Amma forget to give breakfast to Geeta? No, Amma didn't forget to give breakfast to Geeta. These are discussed in class. Next main question, E main question. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. First, fill in the blanks. Arjun wants to dash a new pencil. BUY, by, BYE, by. Both are pronunciation, same pronunciation. So these words are called homophones, where pronunciation is same but different spellings. BUY, by, BYE, by. These are called homophones. And which one is correct here? BUY, by is correct. Arjun wants to buy a new pencil. BUY, buy. Arjun wants to buy, BUY, buy a new pencil. Second one, there are 7 days in a week. Actually, this is wrong. WEEK. WEEK. I need to write WEEK. This is wrong actually. My father loves to swim in the sea. SEAC. SEEC, not SEAC. Fourth one, they have gone back to their house. THEIR, there. THERE, there. Ali. THEIR, there. Avara. THEIR. It is correct. Fifth one, Amma is mending the dash in my shirt. HOLE, hole. WHOLE, hole. So HOLE, right? HOLE, hole, means Randhra. WHOLE, hole, means Purna, Purti. F main question. Make as many words as you can from the letters in the word breakfast. For example, FAR, for, FEAR, fear. Each word must have at least 3 letters. As many words as you can. Each word must have at least 3 letters. More than 3 letters can be made. Okay. For example, see, I made a BREAK, break. FAST, fast. BREAST, breast. Breast. TASK, task. TEAR, tear. BARK, bark. ARE, or. STAR, star. BEAST, beast. SEAC, TEAT, EAR, ear. These many words I have made. And next main question, spell right. G main question, say the words Y and pi aloud. Words with the long I sound are also spelt with Y or IE. Fill in the blanks with Y or IE. SKY, sky. TIED, tide. See, we need to fill in the blanks with Y or IE. In the first word I filled with Y, in the second word I filled with IE. Third word MY, my. Fourth word FLY, fly. Fifth word LIE, lie. Sixth word SHY, shy. Next main question, H main question. Now use the words you have made in exercise G to fill in the blanks. Use the words you have made in exercise G. This is exercise G. This is exercise H. These words sky, tide, my, fly, lie, shy. We need to fill the blanks in this main question. These 6 words we need to fill in these 5 fill in the blanks. First one, I would like to dash up to the dash. I would like to fly up to the sky. Full stop. First one fly, second one sky. Second, fill in the blanks. Geeta dash her doll's hair with a ribbon. Geeta tied her doll's hair with a ribbon. TIED, tied. Third question, third fill in the blanks. The new girl was dash and would not speak. The new girl was shy and would not speak. Fourth fill in the blanks. Amma said, Geeta, now dash down and go to sleep. Amma said, Geeta, now lie down and go to sleep. Lie, lie. Lie down and go to sleep. Fifth fill in the blanks. Where is dash breakfast? Where is my breakfast? These are for today's class, and in next class I will take the next exercise part and write E main question in your HW. Children, take care of yourself, be happy, be safe in your home. Dhanyavad.